Holy moly, it is my pleasure to show off to you guys this sweet looking 2022 F-150 Lightning all electric, zero emissions, 4x4 Super Crew pickup truck. Ladies and gents, welcome to the Arcadia Everything channel. My name is Chris and I'm your host, and today we're going to check out this incredible pickup truck with an amazing 10,000 pound tow rating and a ton of really cool interior features and exterior features. Thank you all so much for joining us today. Of course, we're going to go ahead and jump on into this. The exterior paint job on this is the iced blue silver. Looks extremely well here on the Norfolk Lake. You guys can see has a nice exterior paint job. The front portion of this is incredible. It actually does not even have an engine in here. The front portion is usually where you would normally see an engine, but press the button on your remote twice and this is going to pop up and you guys are going to be presented with a frunk. It is actually a front trunk. Very cool. You guys can be able to store a ton of stuff in here, keep it nice and sealed. It's got additional charging ports, this stuff right here for power. You've got little tie down areas to have your netting. Very cool. Lifting up this compartment right here, you've got your additional charger right here and that netting that comes with it. One of the very first pickup trucks I've ever seen where the front actually opens up into a trunk. Coming around here a little bit further, as far as the exterior goes, it's got the nice box lighting LED with the auto high beam. It's going to have the LED projector with dynamic bending headlamps, which is really awesome. Of course, you got left side mirror spotlights. You've got in the back a locking removable tailgate with the tailgate assist. It does have the power open and power close. Power adjusted, heated, power folding exterior mirrors. Really nice. Twin panel moonroof on here. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Plenty of skylight to come in and really illuminate the inside of this beautiful pickup truck. We'll get into the inside here in just a second. It got 22-inch rims on here. It's going to be the 275/50 R22 BSW all-season tires. Really nice. It's got the electric drive E-lock rear axle. It's 8,550 pounds is your gross weight rating. We'll go ahead and come back here and look at this with the rear trunk portion. Press the 2 button on your remote and that automatically comes down. Nice little bed here in the back. It has actually been tough bed sprayed, so it's nice and durable. You've got many pick points to be able to tie down all your goodies. You've got additional power sources off on the back as well. I love this. Of course, it's a little bit high to step up, but they integrate that really nice little steps assist right here. You guys can fold that down right there, pull this out, it'll pop up, and then you guys have plenty of room to be able to easily access the back of this pickup truck. Maybe you might have bad knees, or you just want that convenience being able to get in and get out of the back of your pickup truck. Now they offer that. Really cool. The truck bed lighting in the back, you can easily turn that on and turn that off if you're doing stuff at night. The same thing goes for the front. Coming around here a little bit further, of course, you're going to have integrated backup camera and a beautiful looking blue and black, that lightning emblem on there. It looks really sweet. As far as the interior goes, it's going to have a 10-way power multi-adjustable front and driver passenger seats. Really nice. Had a motorcycle driving past me. It's going to have leather seats. Of course, black interior with that cream beige looking leather. Of course, it got the emblem of the platinum logo. Really nice. You guys got to see this start up. It's just, I've never seen anything like it. Okay, let you guys see this. I'm gonna press this button. See the whole thing light up. Holy moly. Really awesome. It's going to have second row heated seats. You've got color coordinated carpet with unique carpeted floor mats, and it actually has the upgraded on the optional portion, the inserts for the mats. So the F-150 logo on there for the front and rear. Really nice. It's going to have the heated leather wrapped steering wheel. got a nice little interior work surface on here, so if you did have a laptop or something with you, you guys could be able to have that little work center right there, but then simply be able to open it up and then have another little workstation right here to be able to fold back and be able to have all your paperwork and things like that. Simply click this button here in the front. That opens up nice deep pocket storage with USB and USB-C charging stations. Nice little organizer in there as well. And then you also have a wireless charging station. Hold on just one second. And we're back. Of course, this is definitely a conversation piece. I've only been parked here for a few minutes. I've already had 2 people come by and stop and talk to me about this all-electric truck. So definitely a really nice product to talk about, but at the same time, as far as head turners and stuff, and to you know, show off a very unique piece of equipment, electronic equipment, this is quite a head turner. Getting into this a little bit further, of course, you've got the multi-contour seats with the active motion on here, which is really nice, just extremely comfortable. Very nice ride, good long road trips. You can see in the back, you've got plenty of room back here to be able to sit the friends and family. I love that it actually has the modular seat. So this part will actually fold up, which I'll go ahead and show you. And it'll give you that ability to be able to have additional storage in the rear. Simply come over here, pull this little tab. Let's move this key. Pull this tab, and then this will fold up to be able to have additional storage, as well as the opposite side as well. You guys have a little storage compartment down here to be able to put your ratchets and tie straps and stuff down. Really, really nice. More storage little section right there. Fold this down, coming around here a little bit further, back up into here. It's got a 360-degree backup camera. You have the Active Park Assist 2.0. The B&O Unleashed 18-speaker sound system. Of course, you're going to have Blue Cruise as well. The Evasive Steering Assist. It's got the Ford Pass Connect 4G hotspot telematics modem. Really cool. Forward sensing system, IntelliAdapt cruise control, lane keeping system. It's got the Max Trailer tow package on there with a 10,000-pound tow rating. You can use your phone as a key. Very cool. It's got the SecuriCode keyless entry on the side where you guys can type in your code to be able to open the door. The 15.5-inch screen on this. Look how large this is. Absolutely crazy. AM, FM, Bluetooth. Of course, you've got wireless calling. You guys have Sirius satellite radio. It's got all your little additional connections and stuff up there as well to be able to open and close your sunroof. Very cool. Ladies and gents, tons of little plugins and stuff in here. And best of all, it only has less than 1,800 miles. It's 1,779 miles, 0.1. You've got 193 on your range. So depending on how you're driving it, you'll be able to get that range. And then it takes anywhere from, depending on your charging system, a couple hours to be able to charge this from 0 to like 100% on a full charge, having this plugged in. And come around this side right here, simply press this button. It's going to open up and give you a nice little access area to plug in that wireless or that charger right there. And that can integrate to your charging stations that are located around town. Windshield wiper fluid, really nice. Of course, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel column. It's got built-in memory as well, so it'll automatically adjust to your specific memory feature. It's got a pedal assist. You have a brake controller. What a beautiful pickup truck. Ladies and gents, this is the 2022 F-150 4x4 Super Crew all-electric, zero emissions pickup truck. This thing is absolutely decked out, tons and tons of features on here. Like new condition, garage kept. It's just really, really nice. It's got little lights just kind of scattered about as far as convenient lighting and stuff at night. Plenty of room in here. AC blows cold. This thing is just decked out with all kinds of really cool features. Once again, this is Chris with the Arcadia Everything channel. You can feel free to check out all of our inventory online for pricing as well as additional information at www.arcadiaeverything.com, or feel free to give us a call at 870-580-5800. We would be happy to help you out as far as answering your questions and putting you into the vehicle of your dreams. We specialize in used vehicles, high-end, and also as classic cars, as well as property, planes, boats, cars, trucks, ATVs, pretty much anything of cool value, of rare, we always like to look at. We always accept the trades of reasonable value, and we would love to be able to help you out and put you in this beautiful 2022 all-electric F-150. Ladies and gents, I hope that you guys liked this tour. If you did, please hit us a like at the bottom, hit us a comment what you like the most about it, and we hope that you subscribe and share. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful weekend.